Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox a smartwatch, one of the cheapest smartwatch in the marketplace or in Amazon that I found, guys. And I think this is one of the ideal if you want to look for a smartwatch that is cheap. This is the kind of smartwatch that I'm going to let you have, guys. I really recommend this one. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. As you can see the box, guys, it's pretty cool color. I like it. This is the AGPTEK LW unit, and look, the watch itself. And let me try to open this one. This one, guys, is very flat and very big, and I like it. It's a lot larger, guys, and the color pink band, and it's kind of weird, just only one secure thing, that in the middle, and of course the charging cable, don't miss it, and extra lock, and also the manual. Before you can use your smartwatch, you need to connect your phone in it, guys, but you need the Fit Cloud Pro app. You can see here, I'm going to install it in my phone. Just wait a little bit, and then let's open the app. When you open it, just click agree. Then either you're gonna do register or log in. I'm just gonna use without account here, and as you can see, you need to fill out this one. So let me show you guys. This is the watch with my pink band, and I bought a generic band that has 6 colors in here, and I'm gonna pick what color you choose. Red, pink, black, gray, white, and I think color red. So right here, I'm going to show you how to navigate. And click settings, screen display. I'm going to change my watch face like that. Just gonna I'm gonna find to pick one. I think like that one. That's it. And swipe left or right. How to navigate things here. That's what you're gonna see in our smart watch. And that's it. You can even navigate your music, but I did not connect it yet in my phone, so it won't play. So guys, as you can see, I have my red band in it. So far I've been using this for over a week now, and I really like it because I charge it only once and I haven't charged it yet, but look at the battery, still have a lot of battery in it. It's staying halfway full. I really like it because it's large, guys, and I can see it clearly, and it's a lot flatter. It's so flat, guys. Yeah, if I think this is one of the best smartphone, even it's one one of the cheapest and best for me, because I bought this one because you can read messages even you cannot respond, then you still get the notification, but you can receive call with this one, but you cannot answer it here. And I don't really using the tracking device with this, like the heart rate or thing. I'm just using this one just of the screen, guys. I really like that one. It's so huge, and I know you can change the face with this one with your picture, but you have to use your phone. But with this picture or the wall screen I have here already, I really like it. I don't want to change it, so I just use it for as my watch. So yeah, this is one of my recommend smartwatch if you want to, or you're looking for cheapest smartwatch, guys. So this is one of the best for me. So hope you like it, and yeah, you can search more info about this thing, but for me, I just like the view or the picture, guys. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.